fantastic.
Oh, I absolutely love Sadyrnau Siarad. It's so important for me to be able to practice the language.
Sadwrn Siarad has been excellent today, giving me confidence in using the Cymraeg that I've got.
I feel much more confident after today. I think some of the sentence structures that before I was having to think about sort of embedded themselves a little bit more as a result of using them.
The time has absolutely flown today. I've really enjoyed it.
It's really cheap and it's a really fun way to spend a Saturday morning.
I think I'm one of the first to register. I'd never want to lose my space doing this sort of stuff.
There's absolutely nothing to lose by coming to Sadwrn Siarad. It's a really friendly, a really welcoming space. There's lots of encouragement and it helps you with the rest of your learning. You can only win by being here, I think.